I think independent cinemas are super important to the kind of whole cinema ecosystem. Going out to the cinema is an experience, and it should be like a joyous occasion and something to kind of remember and to bring you together like with friends and family. I think Taliesin contributes to the sense of community by providing a hub for local people to just gather together and really like share experiences. For the local community, it serves a lot of different people and a lot of different demographics. So you've got a kind of older audience who've been here for a long time and will continue to come back because they feel that it's very much their space. And then you've continually got like a flow of new students, some who stay here for the whole like 3 years, some who stay here beyond that, but are always kind of intrigued and kind of bringing like a younger atmosphere to proceeding. The reason why I come to Taliesin is to see sort of local filmmakers and independent kind of films that I maybe wouldn't have the opportunity to see elsewhere, and to get more of a community environment and feel. One of the best things about Taliesin is seeing people like embrace culture. It's just nice to see people out and together and like having a reason to kind of interact. The way I've seen cinema impact individuals tends to be like a really emotional thing. Sort of cinema is, you know, obviously a way of sort of storytelling. And it's the way that those stories kind of connect with people on an emotional level. I think that's one of the best things about film for me, is that you get taken on someone else's journey, but that journey is personal to you and your life experience. I think you get a much more personalised experience at a lot of independent cinemas. It feels almost like a second home where you can be very much yourself. You might be friendly with staff and get like familiar with them, or have your favourite, you know, little food item or anything that you go to. It really is like an extension of home. I'd recommend others to come to Taliesin because you get a really personal feel and like a community experience. You can embed yourself in part of the Swansea community, and that's just like a thing you can't really replicate at a larger venue.